Thank you for coming to my channel and welcome to Insurance Gems. My name is Andrew Gordon and I am a former licensed insurance adjuster with over 10 years experience handling both auto and homeowner claims. During my career, I gained a wealth of knowledge and I want to utilize that knowledge to share with you and empower us as consumers. On my journey, I never really set out to be an insurance adjuster. I went to college like most of us, and I paid for a degree that I wasn't passionate in and not using, also like most of us. I tried several jobs in that criminal justice industry, and I also tried several jobs in a variety of other industries as well, which I may do a video on at some other point in time. Now, I'm not saying that adjusting was by any means my actual or true purpose, but it was an industry that did have job security because guess what? There's always car crashes, there's always accidents, and there's always a need for claims to be paid by the insurance companies. It was also a decent job that paid pretty well and had a flexible schedule for the most part. Again, I will do a whole nother deep dive on what it was like being an insurance adjuster at a later time. But I ended up working at a car rental agency, which really was the stepping stone for me into the insurance industry. The reason is a lot of revenue is generated at car rental companies by insurance replacement tickets. Ultimately, if you have insurance coverage that pays for a rental vehicle on your policy and you get into a car crash or you end up needing a vehicle under your policy, you would go to a car rental agency. There's several big names. I'm not going to name any, but you know them. As you get to know me, you will learn that I have an affinity for cars, motorcycles, planes, really anything with engines, anything that makes noises. I love it. I love to repair them. I love to modify them. I love being around them. And ultimately, it is my true passion. This actually led me into being an auto insurance adjuster, or they also call it an auto estimator. Why did I even start this channel? I started this channel to help educate consumers and inform you of all things insurance. My channel will range from a variety of topics that I want to use my experience to help explain the ins and outs of insurance. My experience has shown me that there is a large void in knowledge with consumers understanding the product, which is insurance, that they are purchasing and what it's supposed to do for you. In addition, there is an adversarial nature about insurance, and it's always a fight between the insurance companies, the customer, the body shop, the medical facility, an attorney, a tow yard, a salvage yard, other insurance companies. And so pretty much anybody seeking money from an insurance claim, it's a battle. In deciding whether or not to pursue this channel, I did look around to see if anybody else was covering the topics that I want to tackle with any depth or range, and I was unable to find anything. I believe that the reason for this is that if you're actually currently still working for an insurer as an adjuster, you're legally obligated to the insurer and to the customer or the policyholder. So you can't really be making videos revealing the secrets of what it's like working for the big bad insurance company and pretty much how you do your job. But because I no longer work for the insurance companies, I'm free to reveal as much information as I see fit without slandering anybody or dropping any real names of who I used to work for or talking bad about anything or anybody. I will say though, it's funny because you do have to always act in the best interest of the customer, and also you have to protect the pockets of the insurer. There is a motto in the industry. That motto is, we pay what we owe, no more, no less. And as true as that motto is, this outlook is what keeps insurance companies profitable, and it's what frustrates their customer base. We will cover a variety of topics, and by the end of each video, the goal is to make sure that you leave my video informed, empowered, and prepared for the unknown. I want to be a resource that you can continue to utilize over time and in your time of need. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.